Okay. Um, Hello, viewers. You are welcome to Kuda Prince Trading Guide, where I teach students how to trade crypto, how to make the most profit out of the market. So, I would recommend you subscribe to my channel as this is my very first live video. So, I recommend you subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow as I will give you guys the latest updates in the crypto space. So currently, a lot of my students have. I'm like I said, I'm the CEO of Kuda Prince Trading Guide. I have 4 years experience in the market, and I can give you the perfect analysis based on my strategy. So a lot of my students have been saying I should make a live video for them. I should make a channel. I should that I should not only give them VIP broadcast signals, but I should tell them my setup on the current BTC setup. As you can see BTC is dipping seriously. You can see there's this very serious dip in the BTC time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame, as you can see over here, 4 hours time frame. So BTC is dipping currently, and um, they need they need a setup. They need my setup on what I'm seeing in the market. So if you want me to guide you, you can always reach up to me. You can always reach up to me. Just type in the chat section trade and get paid. So I will leave my contact details in my next video. I'll leave the link to my WhatsApp in my next video. But for now, this is my first video. I just want to give a brief setup of what I'm seeing in the current BTC space, in the current market, because BTC is dipping and people want to know if they should continue trading Bitcoin or not. So from my setup, this is the BTC time frame. I'm a swing trader. I swing, I trade future trading. So I swing the market to make profit over a very long time. You get. So uh, as I'm seeing the market, you can see from here BTC dip. Then all of a sudden there was a serious demand in this zone, and people bought a lot of Bitcoin. It rise, you know, there was supply. People sell. It went down back. People bought. But for my own analysis, there were not enough buyers because currently, if you let me show you the time frame, you see that the market is in a bearish condition. A bearish market means a market that there are a lot of bears in the market, which is when I mean bears are people are selling off their coins because maybe due to FOMO, due to panic or all that. So there is a lot of bears in the market. Those are the crypto terms that I will guide you if you want to subscribe for my beginner course. So there are a lot of bears in the market. This is a 4 hours time frame. Like I said, I'll switch to the 1 day time frame. I'll switch to the 1 day time frame. We switch to the one day time frame real quick. Okay. So this is the 1 day time frame. You can see the market has been bearish right from here down to this place. So let me switch back to the 4 hours time frame because that's why I analyze. So so as you can see, like I said, the market is in a bearish condition. So when the market dip to somewhere here, it dipped to the price of 15822.9. It dipped to that point, but there were not enough bulls. Bulls are the buyers. There were not enough buyers to move the market to this place. So had it been there were enough bulls here, to move the market to this place, I'll be looking for a possible retest to um this demand zone to long the market. Like when I mean long the market is I will place my long position. I'll place it here with a proper risk management. A proper risk management, because I don't just trade without proper risk. I trade with a very good risk management. So I will look for I risk in my trade, I risk 3% per my trade. And if I'm to risk 3%, I always use a leverage of like 5x so I don't lose much. You get, because trading is all about more profit and less loss. Your profit should be more than your loss. So I'll look for 3%, not as it's not be exactly 3%, but it should be around that range. You get. So if you want to learn, I will guide you. I'm telling you to teach you the best. So other being the market respect my analysis, I'll be looking for a stop loss of, you can see a stop loss of this range 17k, and a take profit, because I like 1 to 3 reward risk ratio or 1 to 4. So because the market will, if Adibins retest here, I'll place an entry somewhere around here. You get for this analysis, my entry point is 17. Okay, let me just check from the settings. Okay, let me check from the settings. Okay, wait, let me open it again. So my entry from the coordinate here, wait, I'm coming. Okay, what is going on? So okay, this is a wrong setup. Let me do it again. Settings, yeah, from here, yeah, this is it. So my stop loss from this trade, my stop loss will be 17,113.5 dollars, 0.5 cents. So my take profit, no, I'm not talking of take profit because I'll still adjust my take profit, because I use 1 to 3 reward risk ratio or 1 to 4 reward risk ratio, depending on what the market have played out in the previous time. So my entry point will be 17,650. I Based on the way I give trading, I always give like entry point of, entry one and entry two. In case you do not meet entry one, you can also meet entry two. My analysis, you will surely make profit if you subscribe to my group, because you can't miss out for my signal. I give you earlier. So so I'll be entering somewhere around here, you can see, and my take profit. Let me see what the market have done in previous this thing. You can see the market, you can see it rise here, it falls and all that. So if it retests, there will be a very good bullish move to the upward side, and it will reach somewhere here before it bounce again, and if it will eventually continue the bullish move. So not to be greedy, I will just take 1 to 3 reward risk ratio. 1 to 3 reward risk ratio. 1 to 3. Okay, somewhere here. Somewhere here. Yeah, that's it. So my take profit will be somewhere here. My stop loss will be here. And if the market enters, it will go. If I'm stopped out, I only lose 3% of my entire capital with 5x leverage. 3%, you get. And if my analysis played out well, I get 9% of my money with 5x leverage. You get. I don't use much leverage. The more the percent I'm risking, the less the leverage, you get. So I will in my analysis, I'll walk you more on in my courses. If you subscribe to my group, I will walk you more on your risk management, because it's very important, so that you don't have that fear when you are trading, because trading is not supposed to be a gamble, but it's supposed to be a form like a life job, like a job. You know, you are trading to build your entire capital. So if it plays out well, This will be my profit for that day. I'm out. You know, this is a 4 hours time frame, so it will take me maybe less than a day. I'm out. I'm out of trade. I make the profit. So, and if and but it's my strategy is a rule-based strategy. The market must have a bullish. You see, the market is still ranging from now. It must have a there must be a, I must see a bullish move. This, where this market is, it must go up. It will play out, like all the normal small, but me, I'm a swing trader, so I focus more on the momentum. So it will go up easily. It will come here. I must see it retest, possible retest somewhere here. That is where I will take my place my entry point, which is what I did here. But I don't place entry with my entry point of 4 hours. I use it on I will switch down to the 15 minutes time frame to place my entry point. So that is it for my long setup. So let me show you my short setup. So if the market did not there is not a bullish move in the market is just um, like I said, this is a bearish market, so we should be looking for possible short entries. Short entries are well confirmed in this market because it's a it's a bearish market. So what I'll be looking for is, you can see the market come down. This is the down here. Where I highlight somewhere, this is the down. It came down but refused to break its previous high. You can see it came down but refused to break its previous high. So what I'm looking for here is, this market as it is currently, it should go down somewhere here. It should, you can see it will do its normal easy small ranges, like come down small. But what I'm looking for is, it should come down and break um this supply zone. Because once a market breaks a supply zone, um I mean a demand zone, once it breaks a demand zone in a bearish condition, once it breaks a demand zone, it comes up to get a support to support it down. You get, this is the zone. It breaks the zone. So coming up the bullish, there are some traders that want to take their profit because the market is dipping. They want to take their profit, so they will take it up a little bit, and the sellers will use that opportunity to shut the market down. There will be a support in that zone to shut the market down. So what I'm looking for here is, it should come down a little bit, then go up again. That is what I'm saying here. Then I short the market. So I'll be looking for a possible short entry. Let me check what the market have done in the previous section. Let me check. But I'll be doing that. This my entry point. I'll be doing it on the 15 minutes time frame. But just because the market is not close to my analysis, so that is why I did not switch. I'm not switching to the 15 minutes time frame to look for possible entries. I'm just giving like a highlight of what I'm looking for in the nearest future, because I'm a future trader. So I'll be going to my short analysis, short position. So I'm waiting, like I said, I'm waiting for the market to come down and go up. So once the market come down to somewhere here, you get, I see there's a good momentum for the market to go down. So I'll be looking for entry somewhere here, you get, somewhere around here for a short entry. I use, like I said, 3%. I'm okay. 3% loss, you get, and and uh 1 to 3 reward risk ratio. 1 to 3 reward risk ratio. I'm how? Oh, let me set it where. I'm how? 1 to 3. 1 to 3 reward risk ratio. Okay, I'm how? So when the market is playing out nicely, this is how I give my signals in the group. I have a lot of coins I'm analyzing, but BTC is the most famous coin. People trade it on Forex, people trade it on Binance, which is on crypto. So that is why I'm analyzing BTC. But Your comment in the section will determine what coin pairs I should be trading for you guys in the nearest future. So for this short setup, this is how I take my parameters, my perfect parameters with the risk leverage and all that, and I send to my broadcast group, for traders to make profit. While I make profit, you make profit. So that is all for today. Like I said, if you are interested in my group, you just type trade and get paid. That's all in the comment sections. So when you do that, I will see you're serious. Um, I will send you my WhatsApp contact. That's my WhatsApp link to my WhatsApp contact. Um, we'll discuss and all that. Then I get you subscribed. So that's all for today. So thank you very much for staying with me, and I'll see you in my next um, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.